Hey, everyone! I just returned from a wonderful trip to Quy Nhon, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know before staying at the Hoang Yen Canary Hotel. If you're planning a trip here, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in my description to grab the best booking rates. Prime beach access. You couldn't ask for a better spot if you love the ocean. Quy Nhon Beach is literally just 40 meters away, meaning you can walk from your room to the sand in just a couple of minutes. Room comfort. The rooms are cozy and well-appointed, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring. I loved having the air conditioning and a reliable minibar to keep my drinks cool in the coastal heat. Family-friendly perks. If you're traveling with kids, this is a great choice because children aged 6 to 11 can stay for free. It really takes the stress out of budgeting for a family vacation. Wellness and fun. When I wasn't at the beach, I was indulging in the hotel's relaxation facilities. They have a lovely spa and sauna, but if you're feeling energetic, you can even try out the karaoke. Smooth arrival. The check-in process was incredibly easy thanks to their express check-in service. You can settle into your room as early as 2 p.m. to start your holiday immediately. Dining options. Breakfast is included in your stay, which is a huge plus for convenience. There is also an on-site coffee shop and restaurant if you want a quick bite without leaving the property. Overall, Hoang Yen Canary Hotel is a fantastic, budget-friendly base for families and beach lovers exploring Quy Nhon. Don't forget to use the link in the description to book your stay through Agoda. Happy travels!